Meaning of Ford Madox Ford.
Ford Madox Ford.
Ford Madox Ford.
Ford Madox Ford.
Ford Madox Ford. Ford Madox Ford, 1873 to 1939, was an English novelist, poet, critic, and editor. He is best known for his novel The Good Soldier and his work as editor of the influential literary magazine, The English Review. Ford played a significant role in the development of early 20th century modernist literature, particularly through his association with other writers such as Ezra Pound and T.S. Eliot. His work explores the complexities of human relationships and the fragmentation of modern society. Overall, Ford's legacy lies in his contributions to modernist literature and his impact on literary circles during his time.